we have write all the integers between the given pairs, write them in increasing order. So A, you need to write all the, sorry, let me give it below. So there are two numbers, 0 and -7, -4 and 4, 8, -8 and -15, -30 and -23. So they're asking us to write all the integers that come between these two numbers. So first, for 0 and -7, we write the other. So we have -7 and we have 0. As we know, the bigger number comes to the right, so we write it this way. So we have -7, then we have -6, then we have -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, then 0. So all the integers that come between -7 and 0 will be -6 to -1. Next we have B. In your exam, you will write only these 6 numbers. You will not write -7 and 0. So your final answer will be just this much. So it will be -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1. Next we have -4 and 4. As you know, 4 is bigger because it has a positive sign. So write 4 on one end and -4 on the other. And 4 should be on the right side. Then just fill in all the numbers. So we have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, all the numbers that come between -4 and 4 are these. In your exam, you will not write these two numbers. You will write just these 7 numbers. So you have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Next, and also you should never skip 0, even though it doesn't have a value. Like 0, 0, 1 is equal to 1. So even though it doesn't have a value, it is very important to write it when you're writing it as a number below 4. So here 0, let's say here it was 1, so you would write 0, 1. So 0 is very important, never skip it. You have to write it no matter what happens. Next we have C, we have -8 and -15. So as you know, when there are two negative numbers, -15 and -8, the one with the higher value is lesser than the one with the lower value. Therefore, -15 is lesser than -8, or -8 is more than -15. So -8 will come to the right side and -15 will come to the left side. So you just fill in all the values. You go -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9, and -8. Now, all the numbers between -15 and 8 is this. In your exam, you will not write these two. You will write only these 6 numbers. So the numbers that come between -15 and -8 are -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, and -9. Next, we have D. We have -30 and -23. Again, with two negative numbers, the one with the higher negative value is lesser. So -30 is lesser than -23, or -23 is greater than -30. So -23 will come to the right side and -30 will be to the left side. Again, just fill in all the values. You have -29, -28, -27, -26, -25, -24, and -23. Again, so the numbers between -30 and -23 are these. In your exam, you will not write these two. You will write only these 6 numbers. So you have -29, -28, -27, -26, -25, and -24.